Hi guys, Roger back with you from Gateway Cycles. Just uncrated a great new machine here and I wanted to give you guys a preview of it. It is the Royal Enfield Pegasus. The Pegasus is based on the flying fleet that the British military used in the campaign against the Germans in World War II. They used it as a paratrooper motorcycle. So I want to give you a little close-up of this. This is one of only 20 of these available. They made it in both battle green and military brown. The brown they made 20 of, and they made 80 of the green. Got a really neat emblem here on the tank. I'll zoom in on that for you. It says "Made like a gun, Royal Enfield." For those of you who are familiar, Royal Enfield made the .303 rifle for the British military. Comes with some nice canvas bags. Give you a walk around here. And each unit has a unique number stenciled on the tank. This is a 500cc single-cylinder thumper. Awesome machine. Come on down to Gateway Cycles and check it out yourself, or check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com.